Hi, so our project is creating a web app called Proto.ai, where instead of writing text to an AI to create a project, you would create a diagram instead, and then that's converted to JSON, which is then prompt engineered into a model, and the model will then generate the code, and then we would write that code into an actual files onto the server, and then the idea is then you would then download the code instead of having to like set up everything, which is sometimes very confusing. So first things first, we have our web server is created with Next.js, and then our backend solution is created with Go. This is to handle more of like the prompt engineering and actually having the files. So this is our landing page, and to log in we use Google OAuth. I don't know why it keeps messing with me every time. Thank God. Okay, use Google OAuth. Log in with my email. Continue. And now then we're redirected to the home page. So then this here is the file system that's correlated to my email. That is somewhere. It is wrong. Sorry, that's the wrong file editor. That is marked here, and we weren't able to actually get to display the text since we ran out of time. And then the next thing that we have to do is that we have the diagram. So this here is, and you can create a node. You can then describe what the node is. I will say this is a server. This is a server. We say it's a web server. We want to create a node, and then it's like say hi, and then say like returns hi, and this adds it. Boom. And then we can create a client. I forgot to write that. This will be the client. And this here we can describe it as a web client, creating it with React.js, use JavaScript. Let's say like landing page. And you can try description, just makes create a get request to /say hi. And then from there we would then connect it. That's a little finicky since it's like I'm trying to do it as a small screen. Okay, well, connect. So you can try and get connected here. Boom. Okay, now it's connected. It's a little hard to see. And then from here, we would then convert it to JSON, which would then be the code. However, this part we couldn't get to work as kind of ran out of time, but we can see here that it was able to convert it to JSON, which would then be prompted to the model.